Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Bakachiro say amani amahunu yemfa ntutuka ukokọto a uso obi asisi unti na ukokọto de nti adipa na sisi wo no fa no bra ne yenka ho asem na enye se madwen yem se ne kan court de ye ka me se nye se yes anyway jaman
Mira
meet you asem kru ya ho
say me who said senior prefect or struggle trying to defend
the radio be struggle can one say maybe struggle say your advantage now I can one say
you become a Ghana for etie otiase
okay
because anytime be na or leader or respond to petty issues very emotional leader time be no nensem nyina no ye ensem a sometimes enye say or transi no wa assess no no ka say tu ne ho fu say anamo a utu ni asem o ka no ono ni gina bia no it is bigger than everybody nana asem aye ken ye nyina ye was stake but ono no position no is bigger than everybody. Mistake is bigger than everybody, and the followers anya shikrano Owura John Mahama, the former president inipa 6 million ewo krom ha hwe nanim eto abama with a belief say or your leader bi omdom re hye ni mu a anamon ni de omhwehwe ene omandi da so ene om believe no om hopes a om fo say Ghana kono om de hye ni mu ebeyi nti abri nyina no megidi say ne handlers say ne managers nso ene om kan sam ne kire no ene o kan no say de te a I'm surprised because sabi onya sami jamfi ene onya me na onya alaji oti ase ni aka no tra bia sori akọ enkomo ayedi. The reason why I may start from there and say our huge experience when we talk about elections. Would they for politics grant to because politics there he goes above everything. But when we talk about elections in this country, on one kasankasano I dedicating to stand within the elections from the communities. So assemblyman yeto swaba anambwa. It is part of the election process. Odininu 96, he was a member of parliament in national elections. For whatever reason, he was a deputy minister. And he has gone through the mill. And now me know say Owura John Mahama only experience cry na ye kano. The experience in India me first born. 24 years down the line, why year elections will krumha. You can't challenge that. Calculate from 1996 or be a member of parliament. That's why assemblyman the chop to the no crowd them fanka ho. Ani nyina ye electoral process e na wakom. Into unim. Oh, na the eyeman who eya na e kire madwen kakra ne say. Na the election no cry it never ends in the constituency. No wa be catch and say oh, MP pen obedi ye. Into MP na wa bedi no. Oho de e locality into the na course national onim. Nana, I can tell you, from 2008, I'll be the running mate to then Professor Mills. From the national position. 2012, he was a candidate himself, and I'm the presidential candidate, the president then. 2016, presidential candidate. President in the seat. 2020 presidential candidate. So from 2008 to 2020 and now you can say only crowd that experience in the cry is 12 years down the line. It is all to me by catch one month. When I see the aiming one work a cry and say thank you tone on and I say what follow. We're changing the positions bed 3 times. I know the baby because I don't know whether he just want to draw his attention to himself there. And or they can because I did oh you got 2 or hunting the mini Usiana supporters are ye court just because near per se a man for who say juma evidence de ne nibi but now say a court na electoral commission a man for who say ya court the tosumienu oko voter rate say yakwa kote aba 1 million votes 1 million ballot papers any de agum na me overvoting no abaya to okrom ha no the main tias na bia je so boy nkakra because we de onkuntaye
Adam no na mass class
David you only senior prefect of here until we hu aye the best house
teacher me speaker
teacher bia ojina classroom bi o train English grade mi so ni mass kakra
me speaker
otiase say ye catch say 1 million over voting na otiase pa
ba one can say 1 million over voting
say ye tete 1 million edigu
no just say over voting
na no ye dey ye koyi wo ma to wo mu de ni bi free mu ne de sa 1 million be gu mu ne balance ye ma na do beating 500 and answer de
ase wo chire mu akupie over voting ba ono na nka say ordinance no wan ka say over voting
I just say na beka no na yen kan say na ma no wo chire me de aka metu ono wo say wo chire mu de abeka say over voting but ono kan na say me just say no meaning
because me kan say say over voting mo kai 2012 e ba you any ebisa Dr. Aferijan ni General Mosquito say nipa 100 akwa akoto aba wa ha dana ye beto aba no nipa 80 na ba beto aba no ye to aba no wie ye kan ye no na nipa 92 na kan enti sa 12 extra 12 na guso no de ade ya General Mosquito answer o de man ye ni say so long as
Ambro the register
Ambro 100 no so de nye overvote enti mo kan overvote amon kan ye
so ono no kan ase ono kan ase nti de me that is the question that me bisa nti you say no I say don't ketia answer the man say the register is 100 and yes sir and ya to about 92 and ya to about 92
ya to about 80
ya to about 80
ya ko kan ye 92
okay into your register no there so long as
so long as 92 number 100 no dey nye overvote
and you overvote okay into that just 100 there is no overvote and yes sir into say Urajo Muhammad no sir 1 million here titi na even no me digu here and a number ben and na ekura MPP4 any number ben na ekura no assume say evidence how the can see nana very solid na NDC4 buy no me say on pink sheet nana o de you see mathematics on pink sheet ekura wom e kire say MPP ya to 20 na ma wom NDC ya to 15 na ma wom ya 35 aba se sia ye ka ho asem a ye na so no ma me na announce 45 and we want to know where the 10 is coming from
extra 10
so let's put the woman on the seat now o me kire baby at 10 free buy I don't know who court na because they did not show any evidence no single paper oh my yeah no we call you mathematics
of the land
now paper me na dey call
Supreme Court
Excel la we here computer so okay so Excel na catch say look at say onko bie okay so your handicap in that day you know na but the actual good paper so no ekura no and we catch say on computer na okay pa the same calculation no Excel na ekura no o wie da bi say want me na the number na kisa kura any na all can kura entirely but my problem is that nana enu dey akwawi by getting out there any enkomo na papa ni di no me ho na ho hia me because we nim say ade na o ye nyina onim he just want to bring some euphoria in NDC camp for them to believe him say adwuma na on any Crawford Trabontin ye no it wasn't an abysmal work but rather no obi na chinchim omunsa agi to me na free omunsa they have bastardized this agency timer from 18th November 2018 official pofo esi edun ketia Sami Jemfi mo organizer the friends Akamba when they took over nana enyo station ha ba sister station make Mr. John Mahama bo na money now the onwanga sanso aka ho the question I host ni be say am say na so nyina communicators they are not operational guys they have never run election bia o man run bia no they fail the national chairman himself onkoye election no your electoral officer 2016
director of elections for NDC e dey na see ubisa na o see number no kura ni number no nim
that is not fair
it's not fair to who ono anza na kan station here ya opa catch Isaac so munyima wa
say
ono anka saba Kwame Sifa kan bisa no Say, chairman, Abaya 2 years, now we see where we near Adie Director of Elections. O numbers here again. Or see me train a normal farm Remy. I never see anything.
But
friend, no bisa. Now one no person the numbers in the brain. No person is in the brain and answer one at the brain. He was waiting the numbers from the polling stations. The same chairman when he took over the last election, Obetna Asempa, the other stations be catch and say they are prepared this time there. Omuntimi can and say the numbers juma. Now, even every polling station, for one lawyer, one agent, or more yina or honomo. Nana mi krana mi timu na hono nana ya okra wadwa ma mu nyina mu ne yedi nkomo. You were 38,000 polling stations. Meboa. Ghana lawyers say okro ma budu 38,000. It didn't say lawyers cry what has to see a cry
can necessarily say polling agents lawyers.
Oh, I see. Ye agents no ho. Na some more can make be. Na every polling station be
say apart from agents no more returning officers or constituencies no can want them.
Then any question
and be you see enter more no.
And you go we are no. The numbers what they buy ya the number on one kasa tro ye ni de o ye tuma no. E wo hefa. Ye call 2012 no. Ya fa yesa pan na call you. Ye the easy omu their own documents. Omu their police station be ye ho adwuma. That is what we speak on. It is a uba na so de also ni bi. Na chama kojo bo aten asem a wa be kan wa ha no. Asem a wa kan na be se me gina so bisa na asem. And tin om call court. Omu ni bibia ka. Enti no me no da nyina no say NDC trasi. Na said the Nana Kuredu Kayen. I say NDC has never won election in this country. Enti da bia na bato no. Akwai to say school ni a okwa throw exams. Na da bi odi na ni ato aposo. Sa NDC for subante okroma. Time I know wa ban from Jerry John Rawlings time from PNDC NDC. I'm quoting Nana Kuredu. I say they have never won the elections. But I say so my dear Kunyane 16 years. It quite bench no fast with these 16 years. Now just say you mu chinchin and I say nya kwan bi no mu wiamu and no be
the soldiers call police station
oh na say no the ono no can be. E dey say na kasa na miensa na now because one nam can be no free here no jump wa free no jump wa. So oti ase. It is a election bie no o ma wini wo krom ha dade a. Na just say anamu bia o mutu no. Time bia ya pod o mo de nam. O mu chen why you can near Chum, who can say 85 which are why kim. As school for Biaconia upon the idea.
The Makai Pie made 1996. A Troy and a Greek, and I think a Greek any paper backo. A Troy na idea but Chama 196 abano. And almost Omuchum. You're coy by a week later and a Sabbath Troy.
80 time you're right on Muhammad, or didn't need to, or didn't need to apostles. If we do, or not didn't hammer. Otiase etinu onu ankasa no say ade anka onim from 2012 when he has his first rare elections was even contested. Say no, we need say abano ekoye ma. Even in the Supreme Court, that particular judgment was what 5-4, which almost 4 of them still believe say the elections was rigged in 2012. And then also na dia wo ma gu ho nyina no cowards. Na dia ayede na kwa unya 7-0. It is a kunya ba akokra nko de bebo ne ho safo hene. Se otiase. Odinani ato apostle saa besine. They wanna okay say in 2019 okoye press conference bi. Na some o ka kire Ghana fo nyina ne say EC cannot be trusted. Okay, it's our press conference.
Makai EC cannot be trusted.
And now our
press conference.
Oh no, that was the time. Me be rati how be cancel. It in one kasa game now oba nankasa no. Referee no gira performance na unjinini. No obi a unjinini no. How can you go to the elections at the end of the day no ubeja polling station honum amano so ono kwan mine.
Peace FM 104.3 Good to meet